Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to show you how to use one of these little flying saucer drones that's controlled with a wrist, like a wristwatch. Stay with us and we'll show you how to use it. All right, here we are. CheerWing. This is a little UFO type drone. See there? Controlled with a wristwatch attachment. Let's open this little guy up and see how it does here, okay? There's your instructions, how to use it and all. Battery charger, an extra propeller, which I'll probably need the way I fly. Here's your little drone. Let's undo this little guy. Here he is. Take this little thing off. Get it out of the way. If I can. There we go. There's your little drone. Okay. Here's your wrist attachment. All right. Now right here opens a little lid. When you're through with it, set it right down inside there. Close your lid. There you go. Now you can just carry it around with you if you want to. Open this little guy up. Here is your power button right here. Turn that on. It says press it once and it'll go up. Let it go and it'll come down. Here is your charging port right here. We'll show you how to charge that here in just a minute. Here's your on off button right here. There it is. Look at there. Lights up. Hold it for 3 seconds here. And it goes off. So if you say press it once, it'll take off. See it spin? Whoa! Press it again, it gets a little faster. Hear that? When you let go, it lets off. Press it 3 seconds and it lands right there. All right, I think we'll get this thing going and we'll see how to use it. All right, let's go charge it up. Make sure it's got charge on it, okay? All right, here it is. Here's your charging port. Plugs in right there like so. Set it down. Plug it into your USB port. Red light is on. It's charging. When the red light goes off, it's done and ready to go. All right, you can see the green light's on. That means it's fully charged. We're ready to fly this little guy. All right, we'll start this little guy up right here. There's your on-off switch. See the light come on? We'll set him over here on the table. Here's my wrist controller. Push the button right there, it takes off. We'll start this guy off on the floor over here. There's your takeoff button. Push it once, it takes off. Push it again, it goes up. Let go, it comes down. See him take off? Hold it down for 3 seconds. Yeah, and it shuts off. There we go. All right, we got him sitting on the chair over there. Let's Push the button and get him to take off. I can't seem to get him to stop. Okay, we're outside now. Let's see how it'll do out here. I got him turned on, so. Well. He didn't do too good out here in the wind, that's for sure. Guess we better go back in the house. This is kind of an indoor flying machine. Well, we're back in the house. See if we can get him to do a little better here in the house. Put him right there on the table. See what? He goes wild sometimes. All right, on the table again. Let's try him again. Well, he's upside down now. We'll try him again, taking off from the chair. See what this does. Let's put the little guy up. Push the button right here. He fits right down in there. This closes. There he is. Ready to go for next time. But you really don't have much control over him. You got control of up, let go of down. You don't have any control right, left, and he kind of goes wherever he wants to after that. Sometimes when he hits the ground, he flips over and he just spins around. And I found that to stop him, instead of holding down that button for 3 seconds, just let him hit the ground and sit there for a few seconds and he'll go off on his own. All right, well, there it is. I wasn't real happy with his flight, but he's fun playing with, so see you next time. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And see you next time.